Very good morning students. Sairam. Welcome back to our maths period. So children, this session I will start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, decimal fraction. Okay. So here children, see here some number I have given. So can you say this is which number? Yes, 6. That is a positive number or natural number, isn't it? And this, see here children, minus 5. That means negative number. And 0, that is a whole number. And again here one negative number, that means here plus 85, that is a positive number. So that fraction also we studied, isn't it children? So we studied a positive number, negative number, whole number, natural number, even fraction also we studied, isn't it children? 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, these are the fraction. And here one number I have given, that is 34.7. This number how you can read? Yes, 34.7. So this is what? This is a decimal number. This is what? Decimal number. So what is meant by decimal number, and these all things we are going to discuss now. Okay children? Yes, decimal number. What is meant by decimal number? A decimal number can be defined as a whole part and a fractional part. So children, that fraction it contains what? Yes, numerator upon denominator. Like that, the decimal number also has, yes, two part, that is whole part and fractional part is separated by a decimal point. These two parts are separated by one point, that is called what? Decimal point. Here example I have given here children. Yes, this one how you can read? 34.7. Here this point is called what? Decimal point. Okay, so this is here whole part is, yes, 34, and this point 7. After the decimal point 7 is there, that is a fractional part. Understood children? Next one is decimal fraction. What is meant by decimal fraction? Or decimal fraction is a fraction whose, you know that fraction means numerator and denominator. Okay, so common fraction 2 upon 5. Example is what? 2 upon 5. Numerator upon denominator. Decimal fraction also is a fraction whose denominator is, but the decimal fraction's denominator is 10 or a multiple of 10, that means 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. Understood children? So 2 upon 5, that is a common fraction. So decimal fraction means in denominator which number it should come? Yes, 10 or multiple of 10. Okay children, here I have given example, that is 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100 or 5 upon 100, yes, 8 upon 100, 1 upon 1000, 10 upon 1000, this all will come under, yes, decimal fraction. Now understood children? Decimal number means what? Decimal point will come, and decimal fraction means, yes, in denominator place 10 or a multiple of 10 will come. Understood children? Next one, see here. So children, next one we will study about place value of decimal number. Okay, that you know that place value of that number you know, isn't it? But here place value of decimal number already you had studied in your 5th standard. Once again I would like to recall here. Okay children, see here, this is one number I have given, that is here there is no decimal. Yes, there is no decimal point. So this number how you can read? 456. This number is what? 456. This 6 is in which place? Yes, ones place. And next one is 5 is in which place? Tens place. And again here 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. Understood children? So see here, when that it will come, yes, from the right to left, that number's value is increasing. That means 10, yes, it is increasing. Isn't it children? This is ones place, and it is tens place, and this one is what? Hundreds place. So this number how you can read? 456. Okay. Next one, see. Yes, here I have given that number, and I have given that number and their place and place value also I have given. 6, place value of 6 is 6. Place value of 5 is 50. Place value of 4 is 400. Okay, so this one already you had studied in your 5th standard, isn't it children? See here, as we go left, each position become 10 times greater. Okay, so see here, it is ones place, and here, yes, it is 10 times bigger, 10 times greater, that is tens, and again 10 times greater, that is 100. Okay, so children, next slide you have to see. So suppose this 4 is in which place? 100 place. So this is tens place. If it is go like this, 10 times greater, isn't it? And see here children, if the value is from here to here, from left to right, that 10 times smaller. Understood? Because here 100 and here 10. That means 10 times smaller. And again see here, this 5 and 6 you have to take. Here this is tens place and this is ones place. So if you are moving from here to here, then 10 is 10 times lesser. Isn't it children? Yes, 10 times smaller. So children, see here, if I am writing here 1, what is the place value of this number? Yes, this place is what? 1000. Place value is 1000. Isn't it children? That means 100 is, yes 10 is greater. 10 times greater. Isn't it children? But if I write any number here after the 6. So here children, if I am writing any number this place, then what will happen? So that also I will explain here. See, what is 10 times smaller than 1? So if I am writing, see here children, if I am writing any number this place, here this is 1. So if I am moving here, that is 10 times smaller than 1. Isn't it children? So what is 10 times smaller than 1? That is called tenth. That how we can write 1 upon 10. Okay children. So if I am writing any number this place, that is here this is 1's place. So that is 10 times smaller than 1. That is called tenth. That is called what? Tenth. So that number how we can write? That is 1 upon 10 is equal to what is the value of this one? See here, this tenth, that is 1 upon 10. This value is 0.1. That already you had studied in your 5th standard. Isn't it children? See here, next step. Before that, we should first put a decimal point. So after the ones place, if you want to write any number here in between, you have to put a decimal point. Understood children? That number is called what? Decimal number. So I hope you understood now that place value of decimal number. So next slide also we are going to see that same thing. See 456.8. So children, see here, this is which place? Can you see the place value of these numbers? Yes, here 6, that is unit place, that means ones place. Place value is what? 6. And here this one is what? Tens place. Place value, that means yes 50. Again here 4, that is hundreds place, that is 400. Okay, and here decimal point is there, and this number. So after the decimal point, which number is there? 8. So can you say what is the place of that number? Very good. Place of that number is 10th. Place of the number is what children? 10th. How you can write this number? Yes, 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10. Can you say that 8 upon 10 value is? Yes, 0.8. Understood now? So after the decimal point, this if any number is there, that number, what is the place of that number? 10th place. So how you can write that number? Yes, 8 upon 10. In suppose see here children, here again one number is there 2. So can you say what is the place value of this number? Yes, 100th. Okay, after the 10 here which number is there? Yes, 100 is there. Like that. After the 10th here which one is there? 100th. Understood children? Yes. Shall we go to next now? Children, see here one more example I have given 34.7. 34.7, and here again here this is a decimal point. So here place of this number is ones, tens, and this one is what? Very good, 10th. So can you say the place value of this number? See here, number I have given. What is the place value of this 4? That is in ones place. So 4. 3. What is the place of 3? 10. Tens place. So what is the place value of that number? 30. And after the decimal point 7 is there, so this is in a 10th place, isn't it children? So here 7 upon 10, place value of that number is 7 upon 10, because that 7 is after the decimal point, isn't it? So that is a 10th place, 7 upon 10. So what is your answer here? Very good, 0.7. So how this 0.7 will come, that already you had studied in your 5th standard. Yes, shall I go to next now? Children, see here, this is the practice set 14 first question. Yes, practice set 14 first question is, in the table below, one table is there, okay, tabular column. So table below, write the place value of each of the digits in the number, that means 378.025. So like this sum already you had studied in your 5th standard children. So just for recalling, they have given this sum. See here, only 3 fill-ups are here. That fill-up only how to fill. Okay, first you have to make a tabular column like this in your notebook and write this all things. Okay children, so digit also they have given 378.025. See here, yes, see here children, this number, this is a decimal point. So here this one is what? Yes, this is in a ones place, and this is a tens place, this is a hundreds place. Okay, and here this one is what? Very good, 10th place, and this one is 100th place, and this one is 1000th place. Understood children? Yes, see here, first one is already they have given, this is a 3 is a 100 place, so here 300, and here 7, here fill up is there. So what will come? 7 is the tens place, so 70 will come, 7 into 10, 70 will come. Okay, and here 8 is in a unit place, so what value will come? Very good, 8 only will come. And here decimal point, isn't it children? So after the decimal point 0 is there, 0 is the 10th place, so 0 upon 10, that value is what? 0. Understood? And the 100th place, see here children, 100th place, which number is there? 2. So what is the place value? Yes, 2 upon 100, because here this is a 100th place. So 2 upon 100 is equal to 0.02. Isn't it children? Here 100, yes, 20 is there. That's why, see here children, yes, after the decimal point 2 number will come, that means 0.02. And here 5 upon, see here children, so children see here 5 upon 1000, 5 upon 1000, what will come? Yes, 0.005. So these 3 fill up you have to write. Okay, so that means you have to make this tabular column and you have to write like this. Understood children? Yes, shall I go to next? Next one is, say here children, next one is solve. That second one is what? Yes, here addition. Okay, so it's so easy, but when you are writing this number, you have to write this number in that particular place, then only you can get, yes, then only you will get correct answer. Okay children, so first number is what? Yes, 905.5. so I have written like this here 0.5. Why I am writing here 0, I will tell you now. Next number is what? 27.197. So 27, here 7 is in which place? Yes, unit place. So below 5 you have to write, because here first number, which number is then in unit place? 5. So below 5 you have to write, and this one will come, you have to write in a tens place. Okay children, and here which number? Yes, after the decimal point 197, and here only 5 is there, so here I have written 0, 0. Okay children, so after the decimal point, so if you are writing that 0, so that value is not changed, so I have written like this. Understood children? Yes, so simple. Here when you are arranging like this number, so afterwards it is so easy to add. Yes, 7, 0 plus 9, 9, 5 plus 1, 6, point, yes, 5 plus 7, 12, remainder 1, 3, 9. Okay, so children, you are 6th standard now. It is so, I hope you know that very well, this addition. Yes children, what is the answer here? Yes, 932.697. Understood now? Shall we go to next? Next one is, say here children, 39 plus 700.65. So children, this sum I will give for your assignment. Okay, how to do your assignment? At the same time, you have to, yes, you have to do in your notebook also. Okay, so children, again I am telling this one, yes, I will give for your assignment. You have to do your notebook also. Okay children, yes, third sum you have to see, 40 plus 27.7 plus 2.451. So you have to write the number in proper places. Okay children, so that is the important thing. So here 40, that is a whole number, it's in a whole part, so you have to write the 40 here. Yes, next number is what? 27. So here 27 point, so here there is no number, so I have written here 0 0 0. So 27.7, this is a 10th place. Okay, and next number is what here children? Yes, 2 point. Here 2 is what? Yes, 2 is the unit place, that means ones place. So 2 you have to write here only. If you are writing to this 10th place, yes, you will get a wrong answer. Okay, so children, 2 you have to write here 0.451. So children, here decimal number, that addition, you have to write this number in a proper places, then only you will get correct answer. Okay children, so I hope you understood how we have to write this number. Yes, afterwards what you have to do? You have to add. So here this one, yes, what will come? 1, next one is 5, and here 7 plus 4, that is 11, remainder is here. Yes, remainder, yes, 1. So you have to carry that one here. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, again here 1, that is 7. So your final answer is what here children? Yes, 70.151. I hope you understood children this one. Yes. So children, this session we studied about what is meant by decimal number, what is meant by decimal fraction, and place value of decimal fraction. Next one is, yes, place value of decimal number we studied. Next one is addition of decimal, yes, addition of decimal number. These all things we discussed, isn't it children? So children, each and every day how to do minimum 30 minutes you have to do practice in your home, this maths. Okay children, I hope you will do. Yes, thank you children. Sai Ram.